Welcome to the best picks. The best tabletop oscillating fan is probably one of the most underrated gadgets for staying cool and comfortable. These compact powerhouses are perfect for desks, bedrooms, or any small space where you need a refreshing breeze. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of tabletop oscillating fans, exploring their features, and helping you find the perfect one to beat the heat. Number 5. Honeywell HT904 TurboForce Tabletop Fan. Introducing the Honeywell HT904, a small yet powerful fan. It's perfect for your desk or tabletop, providing cooling in any small to medium-sized room. This fan features an aerodynamic design for maximum air movement. You can feel its power from up to 25 feet away, ensuring you stay cool and comfortable. With 3 speed settings and a 90-degree pivoting head, it allows you to customize your cooling experience. Adjust it to your preference for optimal comfort. This fan helps you save energy and reduce costs. Use it to supplement your air conditioner and improve airflow in your home or office. Choose Honeywell for quality and reliability. This fan is a great choice for personal cooling, helping you stay comfortable and save energy. What we like. This fan's TurboForce design maximizes air movement, providing intense cooling. With 3 speed settings, you can easily customize the airflow to your preference. If you're looking for a powerful fan that can cool a small to medium-sized room quickly, this is a great choice. What people say. This is the most powerful little fan I have ever used. It is a powerful little unit and I'm very pleased with it. The 3 speed settings offer flexibility, and the 90 degrees pivoting head lets me direct the air exactly where I need it. Number 4. Honeywell HTF210B QuietSet Personal Table Fan. This personal table fan offers powerful cooling with quiet operation. It has a slim, compact design, perfect for any space. With 4 levels of power and sound settings, you can customize your comfort. This oscillating fan provides powerful cooling while operating quietly. It's compact and includes an automatic shut-off timer. You can always stay comfortable with its 4 levels of sound and power. With multiple sound and power options, you'll always be cool. This compact fan is ideal for bedrooms, nightstands, and desks. Adjust it to your liking with this quiet fan. Fans are an easy way to cool down any space and improve airflow. Give your air conditioner a break by using this portable fan. It helps reduce energy consumption and costs. Improve cooling and save energy anywhere in your home with this fan. Whether it's the living room, bedroom, or office, it's a great choice. Honeywell offers various fans to meet your needs. What we like. This fan offers quiet cooling with multiple power levels, ensuring a comfortable environment. Its oscillating function helps distribute air evenly. If you value a peaceful atmosphere and need a fan for your bedroom or office, it's perfect for you. What people say. It's light and easy to move between my desk and my nightstand, plus the multiple settings means it's always just right. Its tall, sleek, and quiet design. The settings are at your fingertips, which makes it simple to program to your personal liking. Press a button on the front to set. No big awkward knobs to reach for. Number 3. PELONIS 9-inch Table Fan. This fan operates quietly, quieter than rainfall. It delivers powerful airflow while maintaining a peaceful environment, perfect for focused work or relaxation. Easily adjust the airflow with 3 speed settings. Whether you need a gentle breeze or rapid cooling, it adapts to your needs with the touch of a button. Enjoy multi-level cooling with adjustable tilt and oscillation. It covers more space than standard fans, ensuring every corner of the room stays cool. It's built to last but easy to move around. Its design ensures stability on any surface, and the handle makes it simple to carry from room to room. This fan is ETL certified and designed with safety in mind. Its compact size fits perfectly in any space, and it operates quietly, even at night. What we like. This fan features whisper cool operation, ensuring a quiet environment while delivering powerful airflow. The dual-direction airflow and smart speed controls allow for customized cooling. If you are a student or work from home and need a quiet, efficient fan, this is the one. What people say. It's powerful, quiet, and very stable. It moves a good amount of air around, it's just not a turbo air blaster. The grating protects the nose of my curious cat. He's the 7.5-pound star of the video, from the moving blades. Number 2. Dr. Prepare 13-inch Tower Fan. Beat the heat with this Tower Fan's dual fans, maximizing air movement. It offers 3 speed options to customize your cooling experience. With a simple press, the fan oscillates 110 degrees. This feature ensures a smooth breeze, effectively cooling a wider area. Set the timer for 2, 4, or 8 hours. This allows the fan to circulate air, providing lasting coolness, especially at night. Enjoy a peaceful environment with the fan's quiet operation, producing less than 60 dB. It provides maximum comfort for a sound sleep. This fan uses a 16W motor, creating powerful airflow while consuming less energy. Contact us if you have any questions. What we like. This fan features dual fans for maximum air movement and 110-degree oscillation for widespread cooling. With 3 timer options, you can set it and forget it. If you need a fan for your bedroom or office that offers both power and convenience, it's a great choice. What people say. I love this fan, especially the dual blades. Because it's taller, it doesn't take up much room on your desk. Great compact fan that moves a lot of air. Takes up minimal space, which is great. I have one on each side of our nightstands. Fan is quite enough to run while sleeping. Number 1. Honeywell HT906 TurboForce Oscillating Fan. Are you looking for a way to stay cool and comfortable? Using this fan for air circulation can significantly improve your comfort. It can even help you save on energy costs. This fan is designed to cool you down and improve airflow throughout your room or home. It can give your air conditioner a break while helping you reduce energy consumption. Honeywell offers a variety of fans, including tower fans, floor fans, and oscillating fans. You can find one to meet the needs of every room in your house. This fan can help you reduce your energy consumption and costs. It's a great way to stay cool without breaking the bank. This fan from Honeywell is designed to improve air circulation and help you save energy in your home, bedroom, or office. It's a quality product you can rely on. What we like. This fan is designed to improve air circulation and help reduce energy costs. It's a reliable option from a trusted brand. If you want a simple, effective fan to cool your home, this is a good option. What people say. I absolutely love that I can adjust the neck up or down. There are 3 speeds, which are all great. I mainly use the fastest or the slowest in oscillating from my room. Unless I am asleep, I just point it towards me. It has a lot of power and it is not loud. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.